welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. As always, my name is Maddie, and today I'm going to be your guide in making a hydrating and shimmering body oil. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so for every time that we make content, you'll get a notification. So I'm going to wait, let you do that. All right, now that you've done that, let's get started. Alrighty, so I already have my coconut oil here and my emulsifying wax all ready to go. So what I'm going to do is pour emulsifying wax into here, like so. Pretty simple. And then I'm going to place this into our double boiler so these two ingredients can melt and homogenize. Alright. This is almost done melting down. Looks very nice. And so now coconut oil alone makes for a great moisturizing body oil, but the emulsifying wax, where we added in here, the little beads, it's what's going to allow the glitter that we'll be putting in later to stay suspended in the mixture. So keep stirring just to help break it down. All right, now that this is nice and mixed together, I'm going to remove this from our double boiler and set this off to the side, and then we'll move on to our next step. All right, now I'm going to be adding in my arrowroot starch. So this is going to help the body oil dry to be matte instead of leaving a greasy feel on the skin. I'm going to dump it in and give it another quick stir. Now I find that sometimes this mixture can have a little bit of clumps, so just keep stirring until there are no clumps left. And then we can go into the fun part of making it shine. Alrighty, our next step is to add in the mica powder. So I have a lovely gold powder here, as well as some super sparkles just to really amp it up and give it the razzle dazzle, if you will. It's like pixie dust is all around me. It was fun. Right, and a little bit of that. Oh my gosh, you can already see how pretty it is. All right, next up, I'm gonna be adding in our vitamin E oil really fast. So as you may already know, AFI has tens of thousands of fragrances to choose from. So for whatever fragrance that you want to pick to fit your brand, I'm sure we have it. So today I chose to go with Honey and Orange Blossom. I thought it paired nicely with the gold mica that I chose to use. Oh, it smells so good. And so I'm just going to dump it in and give it another quick stir. And just like that, we are already done. It's super simple, super easy to do, so I think it'd be a fun project for you to do with friends and family, or of course to add to your line. As for packaging containers, I chose to go with a pump like this. That way it's easy just to put into your hands and rub all over your body like so. Alrighty, set. It's beautiful, as you guys can see. You can probably have a better view now of how pretty this is. And the smell too, it honestly smells like a ray of sunshine. That's the best way to put it. So if I were you and you were making this product, I would call it sunshine. Why not? Look how pretty. This formula is super easy to make and yields such pretty results, as you can see, so I highly recommend trying it out and adding it to your line. It only costs us $1 to make, meaning that you can sell it wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $10. Pair it with a refreshing sea salt spray for a whole product line of summer goodness. Did you try this DIY out for yourself? Let us know in the comments and tag us on any of our socials linked down below. Thanks so much for joining us today in the lab. We hope that you guys enjoyed this, and we can't wait to post more helpful content regarding everything in fragrance. Until next time, I'm Maddie, and I'm going to see you guys again real soon. Bye!